How to fill invite bar in Monopoly Go. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fill invite bar in Monopoly Go. Monopoly Go is a mobile game based on the classic Monopoly board game. It offers a fresh and engaging experience with added social and interactive features. Here's how you can do it. To fill the invite bar in Monopoly Go, you will need to invite friends to join and play the game. First of all, open up your Monopoly Go application on your mobile device and here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will find the friends icon at the bottom right. Tap on it and then you will see this pop-up window. Here you need to select Add Friends on the top. And once doing that, here at the bottom, you will be able to see invite button. Tap on this invite and now here you will be able to see the invite bar. The invite bar is usually a part of challenge or event where you are rewarded for inviting friends. You will be given two different options to invite your friends. If you tap on this first one invite option, you will get the link of your Monopoly Go account which you can copy and share it with your friends. Whereas if you tap on this Facebook invite button, you will be able to send it via your Facebook to invite your friends. And once you send them the invite link, they will need to download and install the Monopoly Go and create an account on it. After that, they will need to start playing the game. As your friends join and play the game, the invite bar will begin to fill up. And once the invite bar is fully filled, you will receive rewards such as extra dice rolls, coins, and at the end you will be able to get this Mr. Monopoly reward. This progress depends on how many friends accept your invitation. So by following the steps, you should be able to fill invite bar in Monopoly Go. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.